Hello all, JT here on behalf of the GridPlus team. We've already integrated with MetaMask and with Frame, and today we're going to teach you about our newest integration with MyCrypto. MyCrypto supports all EVM compatible chains, ERC20 tokens, and all related test networks. We're going to show you how to get set up. Let's get started. First off, head on over to mycrypto.com. From there, you will be directed to app.mycrypto.com. Bookmark this site for easy access. Now click on GridPlus to get started with the connector. Today, we'll connect to the Ethereum network. Click Next. You will now be sent to the GridPlus connector page. Find your device ID on the Lattice1 and enter it on the page. Set a password. If you forget this password, you can always remove the permission from the Lattice and reconnect. After entering this information, you'll then see a secret code displayed on your Lattice1. Enter that code on the GridPlus connector page. You can remove this permission if you need to by going to Permissions on your Lattice1 home screen. Once completed, it will automatically advance to the next screen where you can select the account or accounts you want to interact with. We'll just add the first one here. You can toggle between hide or show empty addresses. For now, we'll just use the existing account ending in 0246 and we'll give it a custom name. Let's call this account Flipper. Additionally, you can add this as a custom address label, which will appear on your Lattice1 screen depending on the nature of the transaction you sign. See our knowledge base for full details. Let's go ahead and demonstrate signing a transaction. Let's send some ETH to a little known, almost random account named Vitalik.eth. We'll also add this as a custom label to our Lattice manager. Let's send Vitalik.eth 0.01 ETH and click Next. We'll see his account name on the Lattice1 when we sign the following transaction, then confirm on MyCrypto. The actual transaction is only fully approved on the Lattice1. MyCrypto and the Lattice1 puts you in control of your assets. From here, you can confirm the transaction by viewing with Etherscan, and with that, you are good to go. Thank you for checking out this video. Please visit our website, gridplus.io, for more information. You can also find us on Twitter, Reddit, and Discord. On behalf of the GridPlus team, my name is JT. Cheers and big hugs from Kansas City.